What?
All right, what are we testing, guys?
Vegan corn dogs.
Vegan cold dog because you get
Field
it.
roast.
Bitte.
New product.
You call it yours.
Eat it, Jojo. Well, not the whole thing.
Oh.
We do that too?
See, like, you shove the whole thing in your mouth, Madeline. Anyways, while she's chewing, this is made with the field roast frankfurters, which have no soy, wheat, celery, onion, garlic, corn, and tomatoes. And they taste pretty phenomenal.
Wow,
So, again, it's a new product. Jojo, please stop that. It's a new product. I would suggest anybody to go out and taste it. And definitely, fair food is good again. Have a good one.
Approve.